So I'm reviewing this serum by Advanced Recovery Complex, and the instructions are in 2 languages, and this is the English one. And it says apply this serum and clean skin before moisturizer. It's before the moisturizer, so this is an addition to your regimen. So this is underneath your moisturizer, and it says 2 to 4 drops. And these are the ingredients. The ingredients are right here. So let's just see for you how this serum looks like. It has a little bit of substance in it, very small, but it has like a watery consistency, as you can see there. But I'll let you know if it does anything or not.